सर आपका कहना होने में।
जी मुझे ठीक, थैंक यू। मुफ्फर है आकिल 64162। ओके okay, so in these two questions 1 over x was given. Now we have to convert into 1 over x. We are doing exercise to question number 47. F of x is equal to 2x plus 3. Upon 5x plus 7. Limit x tends to infinity. Limit x tends to infinity. So there is no 1 over x. So we have to convert into 1 over x. How to convert? We will take common x, the maximum power of x. So in the numerator, the maximum power of x is 1. So we'll take x is to power 1 common. So what is the maximum power of x in the expression? That will be taken as common. So x is common. What will be inside? When we divide by x, 2x is divided by x, the answer will be 2. When 3 is divided by x, it will become 3 over x. In the same way, from the denominator also, we will take the maximum power of x common. We will take common the maximum power of x. So here the maximum power of x is 1. So we will take x raised to power 1 common. So x is common. Inside will be 5 plus 7 over x. Okay. Farid Zafar 63095. Okay. Now x is common by x. And we have in the form of 1 over x. So limit 1 over x tends to 0. When x tends to infinity, 1 over x tends to 0. It will become 2 plus 3 into 1 over x upon 5 plus 7 into 1 over x. 7 over x means 7 into 1 over x. 3 over x means 3 into 1 over x. Now we'll substitute 1 over x is 0. So 2 plus 3 into 0 upon 5 plus 7 into 0. So it will become 3 into 0 will be 0. So 2 plus 0 will be 2. 7 into 0 will be 0. So 5 plus 0 will be 5. So 2 over 5 is the answer. 2 over 5 is the answer. Hassan Khan 64089. So this is the answer. Question number 49. Question number 49. F of x is equal to x plus 1 upon x square plus 3. Limit x tends to infinity. Limit x tends to infinity. Now we'll take common from numerator. X is common. X is common. Inside will be 1 plus 1 over x. Zain Ahmed Siddiqui 64131. And from here, x square is common. I told you the maximum power. 1 plus 3 over x square. One plus 3 over x square. It will become 1x is common. 1x is cancelled. This is x square. So 1x is cancelled, only here in the denominator x is left. So now limit 1 over x tends to 0. It will become 1 over x. And this one 1 plus 1 over x upon 1 plus 3 into 1 over x square. Three into 1 over x square means 3 into 1 over x whole square. Now substitute the limit. 1 over x is 0 into 1 plus 0 upon 1 plus 3 into 0. So 0 into something, the answer is 0. 0 into something, the answer is 0. This is the limit. The limit is 0. Understood? Question number 51. Limit x tends to 0. Sorry, x tends to infinity. H of x is equal to seven x cube. Limit x tends to infinity. 7x cube upon x cube minus 3x square plus 6x. Muhammad Humayun 64086. Ahmad Mirza 63254. M Hassan Zahir 64156. Okay. Now here x cube is common. Take the x cube. There is no need to take common. There is only one term. When there is one term, there is no need to take common. Away Zahid, 64139. So limit x tends to infinity, 7x cube. From here, x cube is common. Inside will be 1 minus, this is divided by x cube. It will become 3 over x. This is divided by x cube. It will become 6 over x square. Here x square, x power 2 is cancelled by x power 3. Only one x is left. Here one power is cancelled. X raised to power 2 is left. X tends to infinity. 7x cube. Here x cube is cancelled. So 1 over x tends to 0. It will become 7 over 1 minus 3 into 1 over x plus 6 into 1 over x square. It will become 7 over 1 minus 3 into 0 plus 6 into 0 square. The answer is 7 over, this is 0, this is 0, 7 over 1, the answer is 7. The answer is 7. Another question. Understood this one? Anything do you want to ask? So please ask. No? Okay, question number 52. Question number 52. Limit x tends to infinity. G of x is equal to 1 over x cube minus 4x plus 1. One over x cube minus 4x plus 1. So we'll take x cube common from here. There is nothing. One limit x tends to 1 over x tends to 0. Or you may write x tends to infinity. In the next step, you may write 1 over x tends to 0. So 1, there is nothing common. Here x cube is common. Inside will be 1 minus 4 over x square plus 1 over x cube. 1 minus 4 over x square plus 1 over x cube. It will become limit 1 over x tends to 0. This is 1 over x cube. It will become 1 over x whole cube. 1 over x cube will become 1 over x whole cube, or in the first step we will take 1 over x cube common into 1 minus 4 into, sorry, 1 over x cube common. Inside will be 1 over 1 minus 4 into 1 over x square plus 1 over x cube. It will become 1 over x tends to 0. So this is 1 over x whole cube into 1 over 1 minus 4 into 1 over x whole square plus 1 over x whole cube. Substitute the values. Substitute the values. It will become 0 cube.
सर जीरो आंसर आएगा.
G into
आंसर जीरो आएगा.
1 minus G 0 आएगा. सही कह रहे हैं. 0 cube. So when 0 is multiplied with anything, the answer will be 0. When 0 is multiplied by anything, the answer will be 0. 0 जब इन सबसे मल्टीप्लाई, यहाँ 1 over 1 है यानी 1 आंसर आएगा यहाँ, तो 0 into something, the answer is 0. This is the answer. When anything is being multiplied with 0, the answer is 0. Sayyid Muhammad Hamza Raza. 62381. Kausar Bilal 64211. Haider Ali 64068. Oh. Now we are starting the limits of the trigonometrical functions. Limits of the trigonometrical functions. Limits of the trigonometrical functions. In these limits, we will use a formula. In these limits, we will use a formula. This is the limit formula, limit theta tends to 0. So sin theta upon theta, the answer is 1. This formula will be used. Each and every trigonometrical function will be converted in this form. Sine of the angle divided by the same angle. Sine of some angle divided by the same angle. And this angle tends to 0. This angle tends to 0. Then the limit of this function will be equal to 1. When sine theta is being divided by theta, that means sine of the angle divided by the same angle. If it is 2 theta, it should be 2 theta. If it is x, it should be x. If it is y, it should be y. If it is 7 y, it should be 7y. And y tends to 0. It must be 0. Theta must be 0. So the limit will be 1. If we directly put sine 0 upon 0. So sine 0 will be 0 and upon 0. 0 upon 0 will be the answer if we directly substitute. But the limit for that function is 1. Limit for that function is 1. So this formula will be used. All the trigonometrical functions will be converted in such a way that the same angle divided by the same angle. Sine of any angle divided by the same angle. And that angle tends to 0. Then the limit will become 1. We will convert in this form. Each and every function will be converted into the sine form and the angle, sine of the angle and divided by the same angle. So this is the formula which will be used, and this theta is in radian. Remember, theta is in radian, not degree. There is no sign of degree over there. When there is no sign of degree, it means the angle is in radian. So this is in radian. So this formula will be used to solve the exercise. The same exercise we are doing, exercise 2.3. The same exercise 2.3, question number 21. Question number 21. Limit theta tends to 0. Sine of under root 2 theta divided by under root 2 theta. So when theta tends to 0, so the same angle, sine of the same angle, under root 2 theta, sine of under root 2 theta divided by under root 2 theta, and theta tends to 0. So that means the angle and divided by the angle the same. Sine of the angle divided by the same angle. And this angle tends to 0. When I put 0, it will become 0. This is also 0. So the same angle is there, up and down. Therefore, the limits will become 1. So directly we will use the formula equal to 1, because limit theta tends to 0. We will write the formula equal to 1. So this is question number 21. Now question number 22. Question number 22. Sin kt upon t, limit t tends to 0. Now here can we see that the sine of the angle kt, but here is only k. Oh, sorry, only t. So we will multiply it by k. We will multiply it by k. It will become kt. When we multiply it by k in the denominator, we have to multiply it by k in the numerator also. So we'll multiply with k also over there, so that it remain balanced. It remain balanced because there was no t. We multiplied by k, it became kt. So this, to balance it, we have to multiply it over there, so that that is cancelled. The same thing. Now here, limit t tends to 0. It will become k into sine kt upon kt. Now we'll put the limit. This is the same sine of the angle kt divided by the same angle kt. Divided by the same angle kt. So therefore, it will become k into the limit for this one is 1. The sine theta upon theta equal to 1, the angle divided by the same angle. If it is kt, here also we are dividing by kt. So k into 1, the answer is k. This is the answer. This is the limit. Limit is k. We can't change kt. We have to change this one because this is all with sine. So this is the answer. क्वेश्चन नंबर 20।
क्वेश्चन पेपर में आएंगे?
जी बिल्कुल आएंगे, क्यों नहीं आएंगे? किस लिए पढ़ा रहा हूं मैं? किस लिए पढ़ा?
नॉलेज के लिए पढ़ा।
नॉलेज के लिए। माशाल्लाह माशाल्लाह। ये नॉलेज के लिए क्लास हो रही है या आपका कोर्स कंप्लीट करने के लिए? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 23। Question number 23. Limit y tends to 0. Sine of 3y upon 4y. अब ये देखिए यहाँ 3y, there is 3y and there is 4y. There is 3y and there is 4y. So how to convert 4y into 3? How to convert 4y into 3? The easy way is that four into 3y. 4 is as it is, we multiplied by 3. We multiplied by 3. 4 is as it is. We multiplied by 3. When we have to multiply by 3 over there, so we will multiply by 3 over there also. In the denominator, we multiplied by 3. We multiplied the denominator by 3. So we have to multiply the numerator by 3 as well, as we have done in the previous question. So it will become limit y tends to 0. This is 3 upon 4 into sine 3y upon 3y. Put the limit. Limit of this one will be equal to 1. So it is 3 upon 4 into 1. The answer is 3 upon 4. 3 upon 4 into 1. The answer is 3 upon 4. So this is the way how to change the denominator so that it must become as the sign is there. We can't change this one. We have to change this one, the denominator. So should be 64128.
सर आप पेपर में वाइवा लेंगे?
जी वाइवा नहीं लूंगा बेटा। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 24. H tends to 0, H upon sine 3x. Question number 24. Limit H tends to 0. H upon sine 3x. Sine 3h. Sorry. So here is 3h. So this should be 3h. It will become 3h upon sine 3h. When we multiplied over there 3, so here also have to multiply it by 3. Six, 4, 1, 5, 6. So now it is limit h tends to 0. This is 1 over 3 into 3h over sine 3h. This will become 1 over 3 into theta upon sine theta. If 3h is theta, so this will become theta upon sine theta. But we have the limit sine theta upon theta. So we'll take the reciprocal of this one. Into reciprocal of this one. 1 over sine 3h upon 3h. Because we know that the limit of sine theta upon theta is 1, not theta upon sine theta. So we took the reciprocal of this one, 1 upon the reciprocal of this one. 1 upon the reciprocal of this one. We can't take directly the reciprocal. 1 upon reciprocal will become this one. Now put the limit. Sine 3h upon h is 1. So 1 over 3 into 1 over 1. It will become 1 over 3 into 1 over. The limit for this one is 1. So 1 over 3 into 1 will be 1 over 1 is 1. 1 over 3 into 1 will be 1 over 3. This is the answer. 1 over 3 is the answer. That was question number 24. Now sometimes we have different trigonometrical functions, not the sign. Question number 25, tan 2x upon x.
सर यूनिवर्सिटी कब खुलेगी?
कुछ कह नहीं सकते बेटा, मेरे ख्याल से खुली हुई तो है प्रैक्टिकल्स के लिए, लैब्स के लिए, लैब वाले जा सकते हैं, लेकिन उनको जो
नहीं सर, मुझे तो मना कर दिया, मैं गया था, मेरा कोरोना पॉजिटिव आ गया ना।
हाँ तो फिर तो आपको नहीं जाने देंगे ना बेटा। तो हाँ, ये तो फिर अब वैसे तो नॉर्मली मेरा ख्याल है नेक्स्ट सेमेस्टर में खुलेगी।